Well, hello everybody, my dog's running away. Okay, so he was up there, but he managed to tumble his way down here. This is how dogs run away now. This is the new and improved dog run away. Just look at this, like, seriously. I love you, Chi, but you crazy. That's the face of a crazy dog. If you've never ever seen one, this is the face of one. They're all Chihuahuas. So, you know, next time when you try running away, don't fail at it. Love you. Okay, I bet you that he's going to do the same exact thing as soon as I put him back up. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Okay. Tack 2. He might not do the same exact thing. So I'm going to leave for 1 second, then I'm going to come back. This is what you do. This is what you do. This is obviously what you do. This is what you do every day. I party in my kennel every day. Are you trying to come over here? No, you're trying to leave. Bye. Bye, crazy dude. If you can escape somehow, how would you even eat through that? Gee, you would die in a minute. So, how you doing? How's your day, crazy pup? He's still going. You do know that you're not going to be able to escape, right? I tied the things together so you can't get through there. And this is what you try and do. I gave you a treat for being such a good boy. But now you're going to be such a horrible and ratchet boy and do that. Hey, don't scratch that car. Chi, are you sure that your head's okay? I'm pretty sure the last time that he fell, he got a concussion from it. Woo! Do. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you got a concussion last time, or some disability, or some brain damage from falling so hard. Oh God, he's trying to hop to me, but he can't. It's funny because every time he sees me, he does that. Like, come on, Chi, you can do it. Come on, Chi, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Chi, I ain't gonna drag you. Oh my, it's bright and light.